Previously, we learned that there are three types of plate boundaries produced when plate tectonics occur. But today, we're gonna focus on the first type of plate boundary, which is the convergent plate boundary. Convergent boundary happens when crust come together or move towards each other. There are three types of convergent plate boundary: oceanic-continental convergence, oceanic-oceanic convergence, continental-continental convergence, converging oceanic and continental plates. This type of convergent plate boundary happens when the denser oceanic plate collide with the less dense continental plate. What are the geologic processes and features formed by converging oceanic plate and continental plate? When collision happens, the denser oceanic crust undergoes what we call subduction process. Subduction refers to the bending of the crust towards the mantle of the Earth. Since the mantle is hotter than the crust, the tendency is the subducted crust melt, forming magma, a molten material found beneath the surface of the Earth. Another geologic features formed by subduction process are the ocean trenches. Ocean trench is a long, narrow depressions on the seafloor created by the subducting oceanic plates. Ocean trenches occupy the deepest layer of the ocean, like the Philippine Trench and the Marianas Trench. To sum it up, subduction process leads to the formation of the following geologic features: volcano, ocean trench, and volcanic arc.
Converging two oceanic plates. This type of convergence happens when an oceanic crust collides with another oceanic crust. What are the geological process and features formed by converging two oceanic plates? In oceanic convergence, the heavier oceanic plate subducts beneath the other oceanic plate, also creating subduction zone. Subducted materials are also melts and forms magma and rises towards the surface of the oceanic, forming volcanoes. In this case, the line of volcanoes that grows on the upper oceanic plate parallel to the trench is an island arc. Converging oceanic plates will also cause formation of trenches, and these trenches will become source of earthquakes. Underwater earthquakes, especially the stronger ones, can generate tsunamis, a series of oceanic waves with a very long wavelength caused by large-scale disturbance of the ocean. Summing up our lesson, oceanic convergence also creates subduction process, which leads to the formation of the following geological features: volcano, oceanic trench, volcano island, arc.
Converging two continental plates. This type of convergence happens when a continental collides with another continental plate. What are the geological process and features formed by converging two continental plates? When two continental plates converge, a coalition zone is formed. Since subduction is impossible between two colliding continental plates, pressure is released by pushing the crust upward, forming mountains. The convergence of two continental plates leads to the formation of the greatest mountain ranges in the world, including the Himalayan mountains, where the highest mountain, the Mount Everest, is located. Therefore, mountain ranges in the world are product of converging two continental plates. To sum it up, in continental convergence, no subduction process take place. Therefore, no volcano, no ocean trench, no island arc are formed.